Hello guys! Good morning! So this is the continuation of my vlog after my unboxing. And now we're going to, we'll see, maybe we're gonna go to a thrift store or furniture place, just whatever. It's just to look for decorations or clothes, just whatever we can see, guys, because we just want to hang out outside since it's been a long time that I never went to those places and I'm always home. And it's already 12:37 at noon. And we're gonna drive for like
40 minutes.
40 minutes. So medyo matagal-tagal siya, mga madam. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung lugar. Kung basta excited ako, guys, basta papunta sa mga thrift store, mga Goodwill, or we'll see if may Goodwill sila kasi naghahanap ako ng mga ng mga furniture ba na malagay or mga paintings, kaya para makasave din ako ng pera doon, kasi minsan sa pag brand new ang mamahal ng mga paintings. Kukuha lang siguro ako mga 2 piraso, 3 piraso. Pero pag madamihan, mas maganda sa mga thrift store para mas malaking tipid, or sana nga sa mga sale, sa mga yard sale, garage sale. Kaso wala ngayon, tinitignan din namin. Let's see you there. Dito na kami, guys, sa lugar kung saan kami patungo. The vitamin, it's a vitamin place. Huh? This one? We're going there?
Yeah.
Why? I thought we're gonna go in a thrift store.
Yeah, you didn't listen to me.
It's your thing again.
I already explained this whole scenario.
I said I'm gonna go to a thrift store. Bring me the vitamins, please.
Now what else?
Energy drink pala. Kuha pala ng energy drink. Then protein shake.
Protein powder. Okay. Go ahead.
Nainis talaga ako, guys, every time inom siya ng protein. Ayun ang energy drink. Ayun ako. You should just drink that, babe. Not the energy drink. Okay. $99 for protein shake. You said no. You told me, babe, I'm not gonna spend money. You spend more than me. I'm not gonna spend money, huh? Crazy, that hurts.
Yeah, this is it.
Oh. Ay, Diyos ko. That's really $99. I'm hurt now.
Yeah. Y'all vlogging? She is, yeah.
Scam me again, babe. You're a scammer. We said we're not gonna spend a lot of money today. And you easily spend $100 just in a protein shake.
Alright, we'll go home now.
So kung nang umuwi ng bahay, guys, I'll just go with the thrift store, huh?
You're always fat shaming me.
What?
Talking about how I need to get back into shape.
I didn't.
You're always fat shaming me.
I don't care.
You do care.
I didn't care if you get small.
You say people make fun of me now because I'm skinny.
Why is it really $100, babe?
And then I try to buy some stuff to help me.
Babe, why is it really $100? Why is the one that you bought last time?
I got too many cans in here.
Nasasaktan ako, guys. How long can you drink those? You still have here.
Like a week, probably.
A week? What is this?
I don't know.
Still got the protein shake here, huh? Meron pa dyan sa paa ko. Tingnan mo sa sakyan namin ang dumi.
Okay.
Did you drink this one, babe? Oh?
There's a little more, but that's not going to last very long. I need more.
So when you work out before, you spend a lot of money just in protein shake?
Or I would just eat a lot of stuff with protein, but
you should just eat, babe, with a lot of protein. Protein, just tell me.
I to do one in the morning or something after a workout. That helps.
Okay, I hope this video will pay that protein shake. I can't move on. I'm gonna buy paintings. I want to buy ano ba tong camera na to? Inis ako, parang I'm so tired with this camera. Always rolling around. Are we gonna go now?
Car accident? What's happening here? This girl.
Babe, I want to go in that Savers World Market.
That's what you're gonna do.
World Market, maybe it's expensive.
No, it's not.
We went there last time.
Did
It's
we?
expensive. But we'll just check.
They might have Christmas stuff on. I don't know.
Christmas stuff.
You said you wanted Christmas stuff, right?
I know, but it's just expensive in here.
Okay, well, we're here now.
We'll see. I just want to look, babe. It's like, now that we already spent, like, stress now.
You stressing?
I want to cry. I want to. It's annoying. Okay. We're here at World Market. Here we go. Tingin-tingin lang ako, guys. Kasi tignan ko kung may mga sale. Dilim naman. Look if they have some. Bakit ang dilim? Let's see if they have some sales. Ting 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 ting. Kasi sa akin yung bala ko thrift store lang talaga. Para yeah, just check if you can find a better deal here. Mga paintings. You got a lot of paintings. Ang grabing mahal din ng paintings. What's that? That's for what, babe? Candle?
Make your house smell good.
Ah, it's fine. We still have a lot of candle in there.
Like that?
We still have a lot of candle.
No, we don't. No, we do not.
$9. Ah, okay. Ang dami pala silang Christmas. Ano dito, stuff. $40, babe, each. No, it's not in my budget right now. It's not $40. This one, guys, ganda din. Pero mahal na ako. Babe, I want to go in thrift store. We have a lot, like, cheap deal I can get. Mahal naman dito. This one clearance. Let's see. Ang hirap ko talaga guys shopping basta mahal. Parang
Okay. Now that you're out.
that's expensive. $5. 2? No. Babe.
Good deal.
$2.
You need a few.
Because you started me with $100. You shocked me that, babe. You shocked me with that protein shake, like $100. So now it seems like I just want to go home. The paintings, guys. Oh, mahal. Grabe yung presyo ng paintings. $179. Yeah, that's cool though. It's fine. But I don't want it.
There, do you want a mirror?
You get a lot of. I'm gonna go to thrift store first, babe. Dito kami guys sa Savers thrift store. Ayan, mga dami pa lang nagdo-donate dito. Parang Goodwill. Yan ka ng donation center. Nahanap kami ng parkingan kasi ang daming ano dito. Daming nagpa-park. Mag-isa lang ako guys, pupunta dito. Kasi ayaw na niyang sumama sa akin. Kasi matatagalan ako dito. Sa thrift store. Basta mga mura, guys. Matatagalan tayo niyan. Parang goodwill lang pala, no? Mga first time ko dito. So, it's my first time to go in thrift store. I hope I can find a good deal. Daming nagdo-donate ngayon. Parang napipil pa na dito talaga ako. Ayun, daming nagdo-donate. Ayan. Sorry. Wow. This is what I want, guys. I got a bus. Wow, very good. Hello, guys. Ayan, guys. Hello, guys. Oh, gaganda. Daming ano pala dito. Mga yan. Mga dinodonate ng guys. Okay. Let's see. Some kind of good deal in here. Lah. This one is really beautiful. This one. Yan. Yan ko to. Magkano? Wait guys, oh grabe ang mahal din pala. $19 for this. Balikan ko na lang to. Maghanap-hanap muna. May nakuha akong dress. Wait. Dress muna. Kasi ang mamahal din ng kanilang mga ano pala, mga decorations. Second hand na, pero parang brand new pa rin yung price. Nagtingin-tingin ako dito. Kasi may nabili akong dress. Cute. Ganda din guys, ano kanilang mirror. Tawagan ko yung asawa ko if gusto niya. Pero ano kanyang style. This one. Dami sila ditong mga ano, paintings. Yan. Mas makakasave ako. Dahil ito yung mga nakuha ko guys. Ayan. Cute. Ganda pang design nga. Mga mirror. Dito pala. Ayan yung donation. So, let's see. What can I get here? Ito lang yung mga kukunin ko guys. Self-checkout lang pala dito. Kaya, let's see. I got a lot of nice stuff for $81.
Ended up parking further away.
But it's nice though. Huh?
Ended up parking further away.
Ito lahat yung mga napamili ko. Ang ganda-ganda. Oh, di ba? Ito, for $12.99. Ganda nito guys. Vase. And then this one, $5. $7. Medyo mahal, pero ang gaganda guys. I'm so happy sa mga nakuha ko. This one, $9.99. So, $10 na siya. Madami pa sila doon. Kaso lang, pinag-iisipan ko pa. Pero next time, babalik ako. And then, this one, Home Sweet Home. Ay, grabe. Ang ganda. I'm so happy sa mga nakuha ko. And then, ito guys, for $8, $7.99. Sana dinalawa ko na lang. Dalawang ganito. Ang ganda. Beverly Hills pa to. Mamahalin. Ayan, oh. Wait. Mga rich pa to, guys. Beverly Hills. Wow, sana all. Mayayaman. As in, ang ganda ng painting na to, guys. Nag-iisip nga ako kung kinuha ko sana yung painting na parang food, ilalagay ko dyan. Pero, hindi pa ako sure. Pero, babalik ako doon. And then, this one, for Christmas. Ito, ilalagay ko to, guys, sa ano, sa table, or pwede ring ilagay ko to sa fireplace namin. And then lagyan ko doon ng candle na ano, malalaki, scented candle. Ayun, ang ganda, for only $15. 14.49 plus tax. So, lahat ng ito guys, nabili ko sa halagang $81. Worth it naman yung ano, yung pinunta ko doon. Nagustuhan ko lahat ng binili ko. And then itong dress, guys. Medyo mahal din yung dress, pero sige na lang. Gamitin ko to for baby shower. $12.79. Ayun, oh, ganda. Wait, nakita mo sa inyo. Malapit-lapit. Labhan ko pa to. Yan guys. Wait, dito mo pangalagkit. Ayan, oh, I like this dress. Diba? Nagustuhan ko siya. Pang ano. Ito yung mga gusto kong style ng dress guys. Kasi parang bata akong tignan. Bata pa naman ako. Ganda. Beautiful. Sa Savers ako pumunta. Savers, yan yung kawang. Move on sa mga ano. Ito guys, kasi nagustuhan ko na to ngayon. Nakikita ko sa mga friend ko. Ang ganda ng mga ganito nila. Kaya, binili ko na. Gabi na nga ngayon. Tapos, gusto ko kumain guys ng ramen. Sabi ko sa asawa ko, punta naman tayo sa labas para kakain ako ng ramen. Kasi ang tagal ko nang hindi nakakain ng ramen. Ano na, 6 p.m. At pupunta kami sa ano, sa ramen place. Mga 20 minutes away siya sa bahay namin. Ito nga lang guys yung outfit ko. Dress lang. Kasi gusto kong kumain ng soup. Kasi palaging kong kinakain. Mga dry na, kagabi, kumain ako ng lugaw. Pero gusto ko naman yung Japanese na food. Kaya, 20 minutes magbiyahe kami. Inom muna ako ng vitamins bago ako aalis. Mag-close yung ramen place, guys. 10 p.m. pa naman. May time pa. So, inom na ako ng vitamins para hindi ko na makalimutan. Let's go. Lalak ko tong pintuan guys para ma-sure kasi last time after 20 minutes of driving we're here. Yan, ito yung place. Yan, Tikumi rice bowls. What is it called? Yeah. Wait, di ko ma-zoom. So, ito yung lugar dito. Puro to mga ano, restaurant, salon, sari-sari. Yeah. It's cold. I just wear slippers. Guys. I mean, sandal. Oh. We ate pizza last time there too. You like their pizza in there? I don't remember anymore. We went there. Oh yeah, it was like 8 months ago. 8 months ago when we're still living here.
We gotta take the stairs.
Huh? Hello. I went here before with my friend when she treat me for my eyelash. Yeah. Oh. Exercise. Sakit ng tiyan ko. Oh, this is it. I'm gonna go. Thank you, babe. That's the place, guys. Oh, okay. Allah, maybe the seat is not. Is it okay? Okay. Yeah. Order muna ako, mga madam. Ito yung order ko guys, matcha muna. Pero hindi ito siya matamis, unsweetened. Wala tong sugar. You can go back, baby. I'm fine here. I can eat alone. It's gonna hurt your back.
Okay.
You can go back, I promise. I can eat alone. You don't need to...
You did this to me.
But I mean, you can go back there in the car. Yummy. Sarap. Favorite ko talaga guys yung matcha. Parang naglilihi ako ng matcha palagi. Finally guys, dumating na yung order ko. Ito. May konting itlog. Maliit lang. Let's eat. Hindi ako mag-chopstick kasi hindi ko alam. Kain tayo guys ng ramen. At syempre matcha. Nag-video ako sa itlog. Ito daw yung kanilang bestseller. It's yummy. You can sit there. Want to? Hindi ako marunong mag-chopstick, guys. Minsan marunong ako pag mga dry. Pag mga ganito, nahirapan ako. You want me to get you something? This is not that really. Guys, I'm so full. Hindi ko na ito maubos, oh. Hindi ko na ito kaya. Last one na lang. Last one. Promise. Nasayangan ako kasi $16 pa naman. Tapos may drinks pa ako. Ayun ako. Hindi kasi ako nag-lunch kanina. Tapos yung breakfast ko, yung lugaw lang, tapos isang itlog, konti lang. Boiled egg. Kaya gutom na gutom ako. Ayaw ko naman i-box to kasi ayaw ko na din kainin. Hindi na to pagka umaga pa, hindi na to maganda. Okay, that's all. Thank you, Lord. I'm good, babe. Naantok ako guys sa kakain ko.
Shall we?
To leave now. I'm gonna find a bathroom. I'm gonna go pee. Maiihi ako. Thank you, babe. Seems like I can't stand up anymore. Palagay ang tiyan ko. Look at my tummy, guys. Oh,
Big.
it's so big now. Okay. Wait. Hold there. Hold there. Okay.
Push your phone.
Oh. Okay. I think they have a bathroom in here.
Where at?
I remember they have one here. Maybe on the other side. I really want to go pee, babe. Sorry. I'll just hold it. Okay. I'll just hold it. Watch your steps. Does your back hurt, babe? Told you you're gonna go back in the car. Thank you for bringing me here. Even your back is hurt. It's been a long time. I've never been here though. What if we have this at house, babe, no? Guys, we just got home. It's already 7:38 p.m. That's all for today's video, mga madam. You're gonna say hi?
No, stop. What?
Never mind. We just got home, guys. At ayun. Tignan niyo yung tiyan ko. Busog na busog ako. Parang... Ay... Mabuti na lang bukas walang trabaho. Bukas day off. At walang trabaho bukas holiday. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel. And if you want to follow me in Facebook, my name is Maria Rose Vlog with blue mark check. Thank you everyone. God bless you all. Bye.